Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the form itself. Open Google Drive, click New, then Google Forms. Give it a clear title and short description so respondents know purpose. Add essential fields now, full name, email, and any ID numbers, and mark them required to prevent missing data. Once done, enable Collect Emails and, if appropriate, limit to one response to avoid duplicates. These first actions ensure clean, identifiable registration entries and save time during later processing. Next, build the middle of the flow by tailoring what each registrant sees. Use sections and go to section based on answer to route participants. This reduces confusion and keeps the form short for each person. Validate fields. Set response validation for phone numbers, numeric limits, or email patterns so entries are usable. If you charge a fee, integrate a payments add-on or include a secure checkout link. Make sure confirmations carry payment status so you can reconcile registrations later. Finish by testing and sharing. Preview the form on desktop and mobile to confirm layout and logic, then adjust your confirmation message and enable response receipts. When distributing, choose share settings carefully. Anyone with the link versus restricted to your organization changes who can register. Once live, export responses to Google Sheets for tracking and reporting. Use filters to sort paid versus unpaid. If responses look wrong, run the sheet filters for duplicates and malformed entries. That single troubleshooting check fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.